What's up, guys? I'm back again with another 2-minute drill. That's one full week of trading highlights in 2 minutes. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month. That's my best version of Bone Thugs in Harmony. We got a brand new month this week. We always like to say new week, new day, new month, new slate, and that's what we got this week. Last week was the worst week of 2023, so looking for a bounce back to start the month of March. Speaking of a bounce back, it looks like we got a bounce back in air travel, as most of you guys that tried to fly realize the prices are skyrocketing, as air travel is back to normal. And when I say back to normal, I mean pre-COVID times, back to 2019 when air travel was at one of its highest. And we got news out of one of the biggest coffee and donut franchises of the North, Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons announced they're going to be moving over to Singapore. They're going to be bringing their franchises over to Singapore, but for some reason they can't come down to South Florida. Love Tim Hortons. We only got Dunkin' Donuts down here and Starbucks, of course. Nice to see Tim Hortons making a move to cross the seas to Singapore. And speaking of trying something new, AMC, which came out with their earnings this week, got a big spike, 20% plus, all the way back to $8.50 multi-month high area in anticipation of their earnings. Once the earnings came out, the stock did come back down on multiple red days, but one notable thing that I pointed out in their earnings was the fact that they're going to start selling popcorn to another larger company, Walmart. So you're going to start seeing AMC popcorn in Walmart, all different flavors of popcorns from AMC in Walmart brand. So trying to do something new for a meme stock to create more revenue. Who knows if this is even going to help. In EV news, we had larger car company Ford sign a deal with USPS, the United States Postal Service, to bring just about 10,000 EV trucks to USPS to do mail delivery very soon. As we all know, the car service is heading in the EV direction, and it's good to know which EV car companies are signing deals with different larger companies that need car production. And that is our news for the larger stocks. With the stock snipers, we had ourselves a week. We actually played 3 stocks, 1 pattern, all of them multiple red days coming down, 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 and finally turning around. The first one was EV-related car company, as we're talking about them, MULN, M-U-L-N. We were able to take advantage of this right from our weekly watchers watch list, and our most profitable stock in 2022 came back for it in 2023. We also had HLBZ. We went from riding the scooters down in Miami of HLBZ. This is another EV related company, creates EV scooters, creates EV bikes. Their scooters are down in Miami. We were riding them the other day, and now we're here profiting on the stock, over $1,000 overnight on HLBZ. And the last one, going back to meme stocks, Bed Bath & Beyond created that same pattern. It seems like a lot of these stocks are getting beat up. Down, 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 and then finally creating that first Green Day momentum shift, and that's where we went 3 for 3 this week, making just about $3,000. Great work on finding these winners and tagging the bags on this, snipers. But like I was saying before, all of them came from our weekly watchers watch list that's released every Monday on YouTube at 6 p.m. Eastern. So you guys can grab a bag from one of these plays. I'll be back here next week with another 2-minute drill. Stock Sniper Mike, out.